Stop wasting money. This $5 fix instantly seals drafts and saves you over $50 a year on energy bills. See that draft? That's your heat escaping. Drafts are silent energy thieves that hike up your monthly bills. Here is the superhero: cheap, self-adhesive foam stripping. It's the simplest and fastest DIY project. Find your leaks. Feel along the edges of doors and windows. Any cold spot needs a seal. First, clean the surface thoroughly. The frame must be perfectly clean and dry for the adhesive to stick. Measure each section accurately. Hold the strip up to the frame and mark the exact length you need. Use sharp scissors to make a clean, straight cut. Precision ensures a perfect, tight seal in the corners. Peel the backing off just a bit and press the strip firmly into the frame. Start from the top corner. Continue pressing it down the entire length. Go slow and steady to keep the strip from stretching or bunching. That's a tight seal. $5 well spent means a cozy home and $50 back in your pocket annually.